Most tile roofs in Florida do not fail uniformly. What typically deteriorates first is the high water flow areas, the valleys, transitions, penetrations, and flashing systems exposed to concentrated drainage over time. This project is a perfect example of condition-based roofing and tile roof preservation in South Florida. Instead of forcing unnecessary full roof replacement, our team is performing a targeted tile roof rebuild focused specifically on the failed sections of the roof system. The structurally sound sections of the roof remain serviceable, while the compromised areas are professionally rebuilt and restored back to a certifiable condition. This is the difference between replacement-driven roofing and inspection-driven roofing. At McGilvary Roofing, we specialize in tile roof rebuilds, roof certifications, Florida roof age law inspections, and condition-based roofing evaluations throughout Palm Beach County and South Florida. These rebuild sections involve removing the tile system, inspecting the roof deck, replacing compromised materials where necessary, and installing new underlayment systems direct to deck while sealing critical flashing areas and rebuilding the tile roof system correctly. This process allows healthy sections of the roof to remain preserved while addressing the actual failure points directly. One of the biggest misconceptions in roofing is the belief that an entire roof system fails all at once. In reality, most tile roofs age unevenly. The high water flow areas almost always deteriorate first, while large portions of the roof system often remain structurally sound. That distinction matters for homeowners, insurance inspections, roof certifications, and long-term roof preservation strategies. Under Florida Statute 627.7011, roofs are intended to be evaluated based on actual condition, not age alone. This is why inspection quality, documentation quality, and condition-based roofing evaluations are becoming increasingly important throughout Florida. Roof condition matters, documentation matters, professional evaluation matters. At McGilvary Roofing, our focus is on tile roof preservation, targeted roof rebuilds, roof certifications, and education inspection-based roofing throughout Palm Beach County and South Florida. Condition over age, inspection before replacement, documentation before assumptions. McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation expert.